Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can change your profile picture in BlueJeans. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go to right top corner to your name and then click here profile. Right when you're gonna do it, you're gonna see the name, last name, and then you're gonna select the add photo here. Click on it and let's just add whatever photo I got here. I don't know, this Yoda. And then just wait. And voila, I got Baby Yoda from Mandalorian TV show. It's amazing TV show. And this is how we do it. So this is how we edit. And yep, so that's pretty much it. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yep, have a great day and goodbye.